encouragement? Well, you came to the right place. I'm Birdsong of Anointed Gifts and Services, where inspiration is only a bird song away. Check us out on the web at www.anointedgifts.net or Google my name, Birdsong, for all your inspirational needs. Know what to say, but don't know how to say it. For every occasion, pastor appreciations, babies, weddings, you name it. There's always something to bring the people in your life closer together and feel the gift of love. Don't know what to say? Say it with a writing from Anointed Gifts and Services. Be sure once again to check us out on the web at www.anointedgifts.net for your custom order today. God bless you.